Well, welcome to Mount Fromme. We are walking up towards the big cedar tree, and then if we have time, we'll head up to Kennedy Falls. Well, it's Friday afternoon, and I really should be editing and posting my other video, but it's the only day of good weather for the next week, and we leave Canada a week from tomorrow. So I figured we may as well take advantage of the nice blue skies today. Well, it's rained a little bit recently, so it's a little bit boggy, but some nice wood steps to get you across the mud size of this tree. It's huge. This is just the old stump. Whoa. That's cool. And these really old timber planks they put down on the path have been grown over by big roots over time. But honestly, I'm surprised it's not more grown over. It's in quite good condition for how old it appears to be. Big chain to help you get down. Oh yeah. Nice stream. It's so clear. Look at this slug. It's white. It's all these little mini canyons that we pass through, and they're all so nice and mossy. The rocks covered in green. Nice. Whoa. Nice. Alright, so just over this little creek here is the big Cedar. Look at the water here, so clear. So we'll cross the creek, and then there it is. Jeez. It's huge. That's crazy. Alright guys, it was cool checking out this huge cedar tree, but unfortunately we don't have time to continue on to Kennedy Falls, so we'll turn around at this point and head back. It's a little bit slushy at the moment, but still gorgeous. Okay, it's time to put the run in trail run. Coming back towards the big stream there. Nice. Back over the stream and up the chain. Oh. Nice. Back along the tree trail. Back at the big stump here. We'll keep going to the car park. Well, great temperature for a hike today. It's about 12 or 13 degrees and it's perfect. Don't sweat too much, but don't get too cold when you step into the shade. Alright, we're getting back to the gravel driveway here. Almost to the end of the trail. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed watching this short hike. Don't forget to check out the other videos on the Hooked Camper YouTube channel for more adventures every week. I'll see you guys next weekend.